What's going on to my peoples out there in YouTube land? What's up, YouTubers? Out here in the driveway with Legend this morning. Before the video gets really smoking and taking off on my tuning this morning, yeah, a little hint on what's fixing to take place. Look at the hood of Legend. I took off the WeatherTech bug deflector. Tried to clean it up a little bit. I just thought maybe the factory look versus the tinted bug deflector would look a little better, but I'm not sure if it does. I'm not sure if I like it. I may put it back on. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think, if you'd keep it or ditch it. So, okay, well, let's get started this morning. Okay, so yeah, you can see where I removed the bug deflector, which it would cover this whole area right in here, tinted. So maybe I can find a shot where I had it on. I may put it back on. So okay, let's unlock Legend and see what we got going on for today. Yes sir, ladies and gentlemen, the word for today is tuning. Yeah, it's got the SCTX4. Got the 5 preloaded tunes. I haven't done any custom tunes because I really haven't done any engine mods. So just want to correct for the tire size and possibly give it a little boost, go to 93 octane and get a little increase in performance. So, and real quick guys, you see my glasses laying there? Ever since I was 15 years old, I've had to wear glasses. And for stigmatism and nearsighted, farsighted, man, I'm just all jacked up when it comes to vision. So in a couple weeks, I'm having the LASIK surgery done. And what that's gonna do basically is just, I'm gonna not have to wear glasses anymore. After I get this, I pay for this surgery to be done on both eyes. So you guys will see me more with sunglasses instead of regular quadfocals, as I call them. So being legally blind, so it's gonna fix all that up. So you know, just a little tip there, you know, hooray for me. So okay guys, all right, let's get started on the tuning this morning. Okay, so with the kit comes with instructions, comes with this data cable, which is pretty cool. Also, you get the tuner itself right here and the OBD port connection, which is the main one that will connect to the SCT. And if you guys don't know where your data port is, then shame on you. It should be one thing that you guys know right off. Mine's right there under the dash, and I always plug mine in even before I turn the switch on. It says do not crank the vehicle to tune. I mean, that should be a given. You don't want to try to tune your vehicle with it running. All right, so turn my switch to accessory, and this automatically lights up once plugged in at the top. Plugs in just like that. Gives you all these nice features. So I'm gonna look through what I can change and I will update you on what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna try not to bore you with a lot of small details that are givens that you would know. But we're gonna hit program vehicle, gives you the notice, continue, turn key to on, which we already have, continue, so let's see, no custom tunes, which we know that. There's the 5 liter, processing data. So here we are at the main screen. So if I hit fuel octane, it's on 87 right now, which that's what my truck from the factory is. I hit that, and see you can go through and change it, which I'm gonna put it on 93. Yes. And we'll go through and adjust a few of these: speed limit, rev limit, idle speed, things like that. I'll let you know what I adjust after I read up on them, so stay tuned. Okay, in the midst of programming, I selected the 93 octane and then upped my neutral idle. I upped the idle from 600 stock to 800 to give it a little more sound at idle, just to bring it up. And then I hit OK, and it takes me to special options. This is once you select to program the vehicle. Did you change tire size? Yes. Select tire size in inches. $35. There's my options I've chosen. It's going through a bunch of testing. Now it's going to program, and it'll go. All right, so we'll wait on this. Okay, so basically it was saving my stock tune. That was the first 100% download, and now it's downloading or installing the custom tune. All right, we're getting close. So I'm just now reading this in the red. It says adjustable options vary for each vehicle and may not be available on all vehicles. So I had the tire size changed, but I'm not sure about axle ratio or the wide open throttle on my particular vehicle. It may not allow me to change that. So we will see what options. I'm sure when it loads the tune, it will let me know. So stay with me, guys, for a few seconds here, and we'll see what it goes through. It's doing all this itself, going through diagnostics. Vehicles key off. Okay. All right, we are off. Turn it back to battery, but do not start the vehicle. It's going through diagnostics again. Flashing the lights, doing several things. Now it's telling me to turn the key off. Okay. Sorry guys, I had to stop the video really quick. I had a trash truck come by. It seemed like it didn't have mufflers on it. Isn't that ironic, me bitching about a trash truck with no mufflers, and I've deleted the muffler on my own truck. So, program vehicle download complete. So, all right, I'll go through the rest of the options and let you guys know what I'm doing. Okay, so I disconnected the tuner. So basically the only thing I did was upload the 93 octane tune and adjust a couple things like wide open throttle RPM and the tire size. I definitely wanted the tire size to fix my speedometer, make sure the transmission shifts at the correct spots. So, all right, let's see. And I also, the idle, I adjusted the idle from 600 to 800. So let's crank it up. Oh yeah, idle's up. I set it on 800. That looks like, well, you got high idle at first. It'll back down after. Should settle around 800. So those gauges aren't 100% spot on, so it's really close. I mean, it's showing up around 9 to 1, just a little less than 1. So yeah, 800. So the idle's increased. So now I'm gonna take it for a test drive real quick. All right, so oh wow, just normal driving. I'm not getting on it or anything. It's just much more aggressive. Oh yeah, a lot more low end torque, I would say. It feels like just pulls up the hill. Oh wow, yeah. Really pleased with that. That should really help me towing my boat. Now let's see, I want to try and find out what will happen when I put it in sport mode on the shifter. All right, get it in sport mode down there. Oh wow, yeah, even more so. So yeah, initial drive with the 93 octane preloaded tune is really impressive, guys. I am that was money well spent. Should have done this a while back, but we live and learn. Okay guys, I'll be back with you in a sec. All right fellas, that's gonna conclude the video for today. That's the SCTX4 tuner for the 2016 F-150. So they make it for all different models, diesel, gas, all that. It does have a few more options I'm gonna dig into later and explore, but I basically uploaded the 93 octane tune and it runs like a champ. It really did. I don't know if it's what, 25, 30, 40 horsepower, not really sure, but I just know the torque is there for what I needed. So give me a hit in the comments, let me know what you think. Also about the bug deflector, let me know what you guys think. Also want to give another shout out to my boy out in Texas, Coyote Mike. If you guys have not checked out his channel, you really need to. I'm telling you, just type in Coyote Mike on YouTube and you will see one of the baddest trucks around, called Venom. I'm just saying, guys. So that's where I get all my inspiration from, I'm telling you. But anyway, hit me up in the next video. This video, remember, like, subscribe, comment. It really helps your boy out. All right, that's it for me and Legend. I'm living with 3M, Mike, coming to you from North Carolina. We'll see you in the next video.